Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video in my Spigot plugin development series. So today's video is only going to be really short, just showing you how to use command arguments in your plugins. So let's get straight into the code. If you've been following on from the previous videos, you'll already have this file here using a command executor, in which we have this function here, which passes all kinds of variables to the actual command. And using the arguments is as simple as calling this variable. So in this example, all we will do is we'll send the player a message of the arguments. One thing we need to do is make sure that we have our command registered in the plugin.yml and in the main file. And if you've been following on, you'll already know we do this by doing get command, the name of our command, followed by set executor, and the name of our command executor class. In this case, is first command. So let's package this and head over onto the server. So now we're on the server with the plugin loaded. We can simply type name of our command, followed by anything we want to do. In this case, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit enter, and we can see our arguments have been sent individually on each line. One thing we might want to do is join up these arguments. So if we were sending a message, for example, it would look as one fluid string. So we'll head over the code and I'll show you how to do that now. So the way in which we actually join up the arguments is incredibly simple. So all we need to do is do string.join, and here it takes two arguments. The first argument is what we want to put in between each value. So if we wanted a space between them, add a space, a comma, and so on. For this tutorial, I'll simply be doing a space, and then all we want to do here is pass in what we're joining. So in our case, we're joining up all the arguments from this string array, followed by spaces. So I'll save this, compile it up, and we'll see you back on the server. So now we're back over on the server with the plugin loaded. All we need to do is type our command, followed by a message we want to do. So I'll put this as a test, and then hit enter. And we can see now that the arguments have been joined together with a space in between them. This can be useful for things such as a broadcast command, or even for commands where you want to specify a player to send a message to. So that's pretty much it for this video. You should know everything you need now to handle arguments in commands. I will be using commands in following videos, including arguments, so keep an eye out for those, and thank you very much for watching.